So as per usual, I'm gonna go and look at gold on its own, and then I'll tell you what I'm looking at in detail when it comes to gold, right? So we'll start on the 4H time frame, and we can see here that gold has been making higher highs and higher lows until this point, right? Where I believe this is just a retracement of this overall upwards move, right? So that's my belief on what's happening on gold, and we saw that price has been rejecting this level here, and we had a nice W pattern. So I'm expecting price to go higher, right? I'm not into pattern trading that much, so like I don't rely on patterns much. I rely mainly on price action to lead the way. So I'll go ahead and I'll go and look at the 1H time frame, right? Let's go look at the 1H time frame, and this is what I was looking at, right? So we saw this liquidity gap, and then we saw this change of character here, where price traded higher. So I'm looking at price in this fashion, right? So price traded back to my optimal trade entry level, or your golden level, whatever you like to call it. And like I said in the previous video, if you watched it on my analysis on DXY and gold, I'm looking for price to come and take out this high eventually, and our extension level is precisely at that level. So my stop loss is just below this low here, and I'll go and look on the 30-minute time frame. What's happening there in terms of trend change, right? I won't blindly enter off of the 50% level. There are some things that should happen in the London session on the 5-minute time frame, which I hinted on my video for Friday's trading review, where I reviewed the trading for the first week of January. So like if I see London taking out a specific session's liquidity, and it forms a specific pattern that I also mentioned in that video, and then I'll take the buy up. We are not in the buys yet. This is just what I'm looking at for in terms of the week to come, right? So it doesn't mean because I have this here that I'm buying the market as yet. Friday we took the sell, so Monday we're looking at starting the buying pressure going into the week. So that's it for gold. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get these updates every time I post it.